So now I'm going to use number 2 to debulk. If I groom the head down, you guys gonna see my base. When I'm debulking, I'm just following my base. I'm going to use one close to create my first graduation line. Now I'm going to create my second graduation line with 0. So now I can choose if I'm gonna work 0 and below. So I'm gonna work on this guideline or on this guideline. So here I'm start fading and I switch my comb for my fading brush. I'm going to start working with my half guard all the way open, lever open, up to 1, my guideline 1, my first guideline with the 1, and I'm slightly closing my lever. So now 0 open. Hey there, I have a message for you. Did you know I have hundreds of detailed tutorials showing on a step-by-step in how to cut and style all types of hair in my app? Plus, you can be part of a private community where you can ask all your questions directed to me and, of course, connect with barbers all over the world. If you want to become a barber with a high performance and make 6 figures a year, join us. The link is on the description on this video. See, I blend my first, my second, this one was the 0. My second guideline, and then I'm gonna work on my first guideline that I done before with the 1 here. Starting with my 1.5 closed. I wanna go a little bit closer to number 2. I open up and just connect and finish just cleaning the crown out. Always work in this motion. If I go slowly, you're gonna see I work in a C motion at all times, almost straight up, but when it gets high enough, your clipper come off the head a little bit so you connect guards, so you can connect the guards. Because if you go over straight, you might be curving line under here. Open up, just kiss number 2, and then we're done. I'm going to start with a 1 open, same motion. Look, I go high enough and my clipper come off the head a little bit. We still see a line here, and then we're gonna use half again to finish blend that line. We're gonna start with the half open. So half open. Now we're not cutting anything, it's just kind of, it's the finalization. It's just work on details. Half open. Your last guard, which now this one is a half. If you still see some areas that need to be cutted, to clean it, come and finish detail with your 0 open, and then you start closing and peeking and using the corners. I'm going to work with my shave more free, but if you're not comfortable enough, you saw the videos before. In this course here, some classes you saw it, I first mark and pushing down my line, and then I use my straight razor to mark where I'm going to stop with the shaver. Okay, but today I'm going to show you guys in a different way, so you guys can learn different ways of cutting hair and fading hair. So you guys saw it, I didn't mark with my straight razor. What I'm going to do, I'm going to work scooping and very less tension. I'm gonna put on the skin. See, I'm tapping down. If I wanna go higher, I'm tapping down. always work on my length first, and then I work in density. As you guys already know, I don't use enhancements to make my haircuts look beautiful. I do my best with what I got. Guys, this is it. This is the result. I told you what's gonna happen. I left here on the C cup natural. It doesn't have much crazy hairline. It's very natural, very neat. So guys, this is the final result. You saw the step by step in how I work in this type of hair.